New at 5, a higher power has stepped in to keep a Ponca City home for neglected and abused kids open. Now those residents are counting their blessings this Thanksgiving. Jennifer Pierce tells us what's being done to keep this 82-year-old home from closing. Jen?
Amanda, the Attorney General's office has joined the fight to protect the home. Now, a restraining order was filed against the home's board members, and a Kay County judge granted that order.
In other words, it's a dead standstill right now.
Diane Beekman, an advocate for the home, never thought it would come to this.
We'd hoped that we could come to an agreement.
But the board that governs the American Legion Children's Home wouldn't budge from their decision to close the place on December 31st. The decision would send 44 foster children back into the system.
We have 3 sets of siblings that will be separated if this doesn't happen.
And employees and their families who live on campus would be forced out.
Some of that burden has been relieved somewhat.
That's because the Attorney General's office has stepped in. The AG filed a motion to protect the home, stating, unless restrained and enjoined by the court, the board will wrongfully close the children's home and improperly dispose of its personal property in an auction, leaving the home and its 44 minor residents to suffer irreparable damage. The restraining order means the children will celebrate Thanksgiving at home.
They were very relieved that they're going to be home.
And it keeps the board members from the home's assets. But there is still more work to be done. Supporters will ask the court to remove the board members for good.
Now that the Attorney General's office is involved, we're very, very positive about that.
And that hearing to remove the board members, that is going to be held December 14th in Kay County. Amanda?
Okay, Jennifer, we're told several charities have expressed interest in taking over the home's operations.